Hi, I'm Dr. Wally Marsh. I have been an ophthalmologist most of my professional life, and now I'm doing medical marijuana consultations. I believe that medical marijuana is one of the most useful drugs that we've ever had on the planet. I know there's a lot of baggage surrounding marijuana in general, but I'm going to assure you that if you have a use for marijuana, and I'll get into that in just a moment, you can use marijuana safely, you can use it legally, and you can use it with no stigma, without being stoned on it. There are a lot of ways that you can use marijuana. You can eat it, you can inhale it, you can smoke it, and I'm not even going to get into that. What I'm going to get into is some of the basic uses. Chronic pain is probably the number one use in terms of volume. That is the number of people who use it. It was originally passed because people who have AIDS lose their appetites, and they were dying of starvation. And I don't mean just dying because they weren't hungry, like you and I did at dinner time. They were dying because they couldn't keep food down. And marijuana is the only drug that overcame that. In fact, marijuana is the only drug that will increase your appetite, no matter what's wrong with you. So if you have a need for increased appetite, or if you find that whatever you're taking for, say, chronic pain, such as Vicodin or one of the narcotics like OxyContin, marijuana can be used in conjunction with those. So you have to take far less of that drug, and the GI upsets, that is constipation, the loss of appetite, the nausea that accompanies long-term use of almost any pain-relieving narcotic drug, can be alleviated to some degree by marijuana. And in many cases, marijuana alone will serve as an analgesic without any of the other drugs. So you need to, if you're interested in this, talk to a professional. Get over the idea that marijuana is just for young people who want to get stoned, because most of my patients are over 40, and some of them are over 80. And they find the use of medical marijuana for a chronic condition such as I've outlined to be an exceedingly useful drug.